We know from research that children are more likely to be successful learners of any subject when parents actively support their learning. Today, helping children to make the effort to learn, appreciate, and master mathematics is more important than ever before. Our increasingly technological world demands strong skills in mathematics, not only in the workforce but also in everyday life, and these demands will only increase over time for our children. To ensure that our children are ready for high school and on track for success in college and the workforce, parents must become involved early and stay involved over the school years to reinforce children's skills in and positive attitudes towards mathematics. It is not difficult to do because math is always around us, whether we are playing a game outside, cooking in the kitchen, pushing a shopping cart through the grocery store, or even playing with toys at home. There are many things that you can do both inside and outside with everyday objects or things you see around you to foster your child's love for math. By talking about math together through play and conversation, you are helping to build a foundation for lifelong learning, discovery, and curiosity. Welcome to Ruth's Straight Talk, the channel designed to help you, your students, and your children live fuller lives, become lifelong learners, and grow into the awesome human beings you were designed to be. I'm Cynthia Ruth. In this video, I will show you several ways to help your child excel in math. Also, don't miss my bonus strategy at the end of this video. So if this video is for you, let's get right to it. Your child is a budding mathematician, full of wonder about how the world works, noticing patterns around them, and solving problems. Parents, caregivers, and teachers play an important role by helping the child learn math even before they actually start school. So here are some strategies to help the child learn math. 1. Play with numbers. You may have noticed your child is able to count to 10, perhaps even to 100, or even counting by tens. But have you ever wondered if they have a deeper understanding of what those numbers and quantities really mean? One way to play with numbers is to represent them in different ways. Instead of holding up 5 fingers with one hand, try holding up 2 on one hand and 3 on the other. Ask, how many fingers do I have up? This helps children to start manipulating the numbers and recognizing that numbers can appear in many different ways. Then ask them to do the same. Can you show me another way to make 5 with your hands? Number 2, finding patterns around us. There are many types of patterns from things we see, like colors and shapes, to sounds and movements that we make. Noticing and creating patterns is a skill that your child can work on as you play together. Repeating different shapes, for example, circle, square, square, circle, square, square, or colors, for example, purple, yellow, are a great way to explore patterns. Try gathering up some small objects around the house. Maybe a rubber band, paper clips, crayons, bottle caps, etc., and make a pattern with them. Ask your child to identify what the repeating pattern is based on, the shape or the color of the object that you use. Then have them cover their eyes and take one thing away. Now have them open their eyes. Can they identify the missing part to the pattern? Patterning skills are strongly linked to mathematical development. Number 3, discover the secret of shapes. You may have seen shape-sorted toys or puzzles with different geometric shapes. They all present standard or typical forms of shapes. One thing that can help to promote conversation and spatial learning is encountering unusual or atypical shapes. To help promote early geometric knowledge, talk about the properties of different shapes. What is a triangle? It has 3 corners and it has 3 sides. Look around the house or outside for different shapes and pretend to be detectives, guiding your child's discovery of hidden shapes. For a craft idea, you can use everyday objects like extra boxes or flyers, then cut up shapes into various shapes and sort them into different categories, such as put all the triangles together or all the pentagon shapes together. The bonus strategy, guide spatial skills. Spatial skills help us visualize and navigate our world. We use them when we plan how to put a key into the door with the grooves in the right position to unlock the lock. One thing that helps children develop these skills is through hearing and using spatial language that describes how things relate to each other. Examples of relational spatial language includes the words like under, above, middle, up, between, in, on, down, behind, below, in front of, next to, on top of, and even upside down. Research has found that spatial skills are linked to math in the early years. You can help your child develop spatial skills through playing with their favorite toys at home, like a teddy bear, for example. Try moving it somewhere in the house and asking your kid to find where it is located. Have them verbalize where it's located. Or your child can take a turn hiding the teddy bear for you to find. The goal here is to engage in spatial language together. When you both talk about it, use spatial language like the bear is under the bed or the bear is in front of the door. So there you have it, several ways to develop mathematical skills that will help your child excel in math in school. If this video has helped you, please leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Also, if you have a story, a tip, a strategy, a question, or just some advice that you would like me to share with my audiences, please also leave me a comment at the bottom of the screen. Click on these videos above for more awesome information on education and parenting. Once again, it has been a pleasure having you visit with us at rootstraightalk.com. Please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, happy learning and goodbye.